I'm discuss very important topic that is called how to use alt tag on your blogger and websites. Now here, just look. You can using n number of images. This is my website. This is called our blogger website. In our blogger, any content, first of all, image is important. In this one, you can adding for some content here. Just first of all, you can select any page. What the first will be there? Our image. Just I'm going to this page here. What is the search engine submission links? Now here, just go to Blogger dashboard. In the option call is pages. You can check in this my page search engine optimization link. Just go to second page. You can check the number of pages. Now, see this one. Just simple click. Look here, blogger and we can discuss a website. Just click for image here. In this image, the showing option call is property. Here writing for title test and alt test. Alt test purpose of your search engine understand purpose. Title should understand your website understand purpose. Is it clear? Just go to specific image, click for image property, adding for title test and alt test. Now click for OK. Click for update. Any blog will be same. Just select your image. Now here, you can go to display ad. Any image is there? No images. Only for video. You can go other website. Pre-classified sites. No. Copy. Image. What the option is? Property. Click for OK. Click for update. Where we can update for every blogger specific page. So clear? We are adding for every image. The very important call is add your title text and alt text. Next here, this is our website. Website will be if you open anything into backend, what is called C panel. Just open here. C panel. Just log in your username password. Before that, check here. Just close your blogger. Control U. How to check where we can using for alt tag or images? Simple. Control F. Search for JPG. See here. They're showing for Arasamaj, Essanagar, or Kukatpalli, Ameerpet. I can changing for 3 places. This website will be called Ismatpur. So clear? Just you can go to your C panel, file manager. You can using for public underscore HTML. This is our home page. So home page will be called index.html. Any website home page will be called two names: index.html, home.html. Only for two names: index.html, home.html. In this here, select for index.html file. Right click, edit. Just select it. How to select? Control F, JPG. Now here. What is show here? Asamash, Essanagar, Kukatpalli, Ameerpet. I'm safe, simple. Ismatpur. Rajendra Balla, Guda. Click for save changes. Based on the website, you can change your image name. Now you can come to here, refresh first your site. Next, you can go to your site. Just come to in this one, refresh. Clear? Ismatpur and Rajendra and Valnagura. Just here is a small mistake that is called writing for D replace I'm writing for R. Just please save changes. Is it clear? This is called. Every image you can give the specific name is called in this. Okay, click. Please understand for this image will be called some name. Sorry, some name. See, this is all we can using for this option here. Is it clear? This is called we can using our every image we can give them on a specific name. So clear? Blogger will using for Blogger dashboard. Website using for our C panel. Now here, just I can go to the back where we can go to the contact. Okay, simple here. Control U, search for Control F, JPG. Any images are there? No. Search for second format PNG. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each image, any alt tags are there? No use. See here. Next one. Come here. They are using alt tag anything? No here. That is called go to specific page, contact. What is the image extension? Control F, PNG. See here. This one. Alt is equal to Blogger. Save change. And just come refresh. See. Do you use any names here? Alt tag? No. Just refresh. Is it clear? Alt is equal and in double quotes that is option is Blogger. Same next will be when is a Facebook, is a Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube. You are writing for same name, you are writing for same year. Just copy, paste, Facebook, Google Plus, no, LinkedIn, Twitter, writing for YouTube. Save here. Just come. Any alt tags are there? Just look. Previous we not using any alt tags here. Now refresh. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is adding for each image. We adding for alt tag. Every image alt tag is a mandatory. Then specific name. Last one we can using for logo here. Just search your logo. Yes. That is called. Just go to in this. Alt. No. See. This is the previous one. Now you can refresh. Is it clear? Alt. Yes, one spelling mistake. That is called Alt is equal to. Save change. Click for refresh. Is it clear? This is called I'm adding for alt tag. Every website, every blogger will be doing for same. In a blogger, we can select the image, add your go to property, click for title standard, alt text. Your website, go to particular page, select your image format, will be PNG or JPG or GIF images. Select image, after the image, writing for alter is equal, double quote on this name will be finish. This is called writing for alt text in each and every website. This alt tag is mainly using for image optimization purpose. That is called image marketing purpose. That is called Imgur and Pinterest purpose. Imgur and Pinterest marketing.